All right, so today, April 2nd, Liberation Day, as the president is calling it, we have finally gotten the announcement on the full range of tariffs that he is going to be imposing starting at midnight. So as soon as the clock strikes midnight on April 3rd, these tariffs are going to start taking place. Here's what he has already announced from the White House today. There's going to be a 10% baseline reciprocal tariff on all foreign imports into the United States. When it comes to the automobile industry, there will be a 25% tariff on all foreign-made cars. So that does not necessarily mean that a car that is a foreign brand but built here in the United States is only for any cars that is built overseas. Now, he also announced that there would be a reciprocal tariff to any country that charges us a tax, and that tariff would essentially be 50% or half of that tariff that country charges us. So let's go through some examples that we have right now. So for India, for example, we are going to charge them a 26% tariff because, as he says, they charge us over 50% in tariffs. We will be charging a 20% tariff for the European Union, a 34% tariff on China, 31% on Switzerland, and 10% for the UK. Now, he says that the UK charges us a 10% tariff. We will not be charging them 5%. We will be giving them an 100% reciprocal tariff in the amount of 10%. Right now, aftermarket stocks are already going down. We're going to have to wait for Wednesday's trading session to open up to see how bonds and gold and ETFs are going to respond, but that is where we stand right now with all of these tariffs. Now, when we have gotten previous tariff announcements, we have actually seen certain sectors rise. We saw the auto ETFs actually ticking upward as a result of those tariff announcements, but we have seen other ETFs like industrials, that would be MAID and XLI, dropping on the news of tariffs. So we'll have to wait and see what it looks like when the markets open up on Wednesday to get a fuller sense of how investors are going to respond to this tariff announcement.